In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Ray-Ban discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Ray-Ban discount code. Go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one right here with a 30% discount of any order, simply select this button where it says show coupon code, and this is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 30% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Simply Codes, and here we have a list with other promo codes that we can use to get some benefits. So let's say right here that you want to get this one with a $10 discount. Simply select this button where it says view code, and this is a promo code right here that you can copy, and you can apply this one on your next order to get a $10 discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.